start? So what we have done today? Louder. Also called as? Also called as? Why it is called as Krebs cycle? It's got by hand Krebs. Why citric acid cycle? The first stable compound formed is citric acid. Why TCA cycle? Because citric acid consists of 3 carboxyl groups. Now let's start. Here, acetyl coenzyme A, 2 carbon compound combines with OAA, 4 carbon compound with addition of water and removal of coenzyme A. It forms citric acid. It's the 6th carbon compound. Citric acid gets dehydrated to cis-econitic acid. Cis-econitic acid gets rehydrated to isocitric acid. All three are isomers of each other. Further, isocitric acid gets oxidized to oxalosuccinic acid. Further, oxalosuccinic acid gets decarboxylated to alpha ketoglutaric acid. It's a 5 carbon compound. Now, alpha ketoglutaric acid undergo oxidative decarboxylation to form succinyl coenzyme A. But here there is addition of coenzyme A. Succinyl coenzyme A is 4 carbon compound which further forms succinic acid. Here there is removal of coenzyme A. Same time, gaulosin diphosphate forms gaulosin triphosphate. Here 1 ATP molecule is formed. Now, this succinic acid gets oxidized to fumaric acid. Fumaric acid further gets hydrated to malic acid, and malic acid gets oxidized to oxaloacetic acid. Now, you can see when isocitric acid gets oxidized, means removal of hydrogen. This hydrogen is absorpted by NAD to form NADH2. 3 ATP molecules are formed. Similarly, when alpha ketoglutaric acid gets oxidized, here also hydrogen absorpted by NAD to form NADH2. Similarly, when you can see here malic acid is oxidized, removal of hydrogen, here the hydrogen absorber is NAD. But when succinic acid gets oxidized to fumaric acid, here hydrogen absorber is FAD and 2 ATP molecules are formed. We will study in electron transport system. When NAD is hydrogen absorber, why 3 ATP molecules are formed, and when FAD is hydrogen absorber, why 2 ATP molecules are formed. So this was all about citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. Now if we count, when one acetyl coenzyme A enters into Krebs cycle, total how many ATPs are formed? 12. So when 2 acetyl coenzyme A enters Krebs cycle, जो होता है total 24 ATP molecules are formed. Okay.